Where did you?
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Entrepreneur, and in this video we're going to be going over some news about Coinbase that may be quite good news for the cryptocurrency community. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you guys get alerted when we post new videos. And also, if you guys are interested, we have a ton of resources and stuff for you guys in the description, so go check that out. If you're interested in anything, go ahead and click on the link. But getting into the video today, first off, let's start off with the overall market outlook for today. Bitcoin up about 2%, and across the board we have Ripple up another 20% today, Bitcoin Cash up 20%, EOS up 8%, Ethereum up 5%. So overall, pretty good day today, seeing a lot of green across the board. Have some surges from a few coins, but I was going to say Eternal token, never heard of that before, so I won't really make a big fuss about that. But besides that, no red at all, really, besides just a few random coins and of course Tether and True USD. So across the board, looking pretty good. Let's get into the actual technical side of Bitcoin, because yesterday the tone for Bitcoin was kind of, we don't really know what it's going to do yet, but fortunately that did develop a little bit more yesterday. I want to focus on this channel that I do have selected here. I'll actually see if I can outline this a little bit better. You guys can see these two lines, parallel lines, and the dotted red line in the middle. That represents a channel that we're currently trading in, somewhere around between 6,100 up to around 6,800. So clearly we did run into that resistance of the top of the channel around 6,760 a few days ago. And since then we have fallen. We have had 4 red days all the way down to about 6,300, which is actually the bottom of that channel. Now, luckily yesterday we did see this play out, and we saw a bounce off of the bottom of the channel, and we are now working up towards back towards the top of the channel. So we'll kind of see where we go, but currently we are seeing more of a bullish outlook after we did see that bounce of around 6,300. Now, jumping into the 4-hour just to see what's kind of going on in a bit more of a shorter term time reference. On the 4-hour, we do have some good signs of momentum. We broke above the 10-day moving average and kept above it with ease, as well as we're starting to see the MACD show positive signs of bullish volume. So hopefully we do get a lot of that bullish volume, as we are at 65, almost 6,600. So if we can start to get some real signs of bullish volume, I think we could break up out of this channel towards, $7,000 possibly, or just continue to move sideways, which would be nice, would have a nice steady growth for once from Bitcoin, which we usually don't normally get, but we'll have to see how things play out. Right now I'm kind of taking a break after I hit a few trades, another trade on VeChain overnight for about 3%, so I'm sure I'll make an update on that video, but an update about that for the daily trade. But yeah, everything looks pretty good, but overall I do expect some type of positive signs to come out of Bitcoin for the rest of the day. But jumping into today's stories, guys, Coinbase gears up for biggest ever expansion of crypto asset listing. So this is something that I'm personally very excited for. Many of you guys know that I am a full-time cryptocurrency trader, among other things, but I do focus a lot on trading cryptocurrency. And for me, I like Binance, but it's not my favorite. I prefer trading on something that I know is 100% safe and secure, and not that Binance isn't. I think it is. I just think that Coinbase gives me a little better of a vibe overall. So I am excited for Coinbase to start to list a lot of the assets that I trade on a regular basis, a lot of the protocol and infrastructure projects, rather than just, the 5 coins that are already on there. So Coinbase has revamped its policy for listing new cryptocurrencies, replacing an add HOC process with one that the startup hopes will rapidly expand the range of assets traded on its exchange. So announced Tuesday, so today's Wednesday, this was just announced yesterday, the new system allows almost anyone to submit a cryptocurrency through an online form for evaluation under the company's digital asset framework. Those that meet the criteria may be listed, although not necessarily available right away to all Coinbase customers. That's because listings will be added on a jurisdiction by jurisdiction basis rather than supporting all assets globally as Coinbase has done up until now. As a result, some coins won't be available for Coinbase customers to trade in places where local regulations either expressly forbid them or are not or are unclear about their legality. It's not like unlike Netflix streaming certain movies in one country but not another for copyright reasons. So this is something I'm very excited about. Like I said, I'm excited to get to trade on a platform that I really enjoy and also just a company that I really have a lot of trust in. I like Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, and I really believe that Coinbase is going to have a really bright future. So getting a lot of these coins listed on Coinbase and allowing for me to, trade mainly on Coinbase rather than trading on other exchanges that I may not love to trade on is going to be a really cool thing for me. So Coinbase looking to add new assets. Basically how they did this is previously they had a process that was very selective. They weren't very open to adding new assets. So now they have basically changed the process for any token to come forth and apply. So let's say, just scroll down here. Let's say Zcoin wants to apply to be listed on Coinbase. They would just have to go through and, go through this application process. And if, they fit their criteria, whatever Coinbase's criteria would be, then they would be allowed to be listed as long as they pay whatever application fees and whatever else is associated with that. So no longer is it like a selective process. Now there's actually an application process. So my guess is, and I'll make a separate video on this probably in the next day or so, my guess is a lot of these top 10, top 20 currencies are going to be on Coinbase very, very quickly as we move forward. And I'll probably actually make a video on the coins that I do expect to be added first. Just a couple of those. I mean, Ripple, Cardano, Stellar, just a few of them, EOS, that I would expect to really be added first for specific reasons. And also, guys, you guys know Coinbase has a ton of users, and the fact that a coin will be listed on Coinbase, of course, most likely is going to increase the volume by a ton. So, I'm definitely going to be loading up on the coins that I think are going to be on there first, and I don't think you guys will want to miss the video that I'll probably put out in the next day or so. I'm going to go over all the coins that I think will be added to Coinbase, kind of in a list, and see if I'm right. Just a little bit of a game I wanted to do here, but very excited for this. Wanted to bring you guys that. This article also covers it as well. Coinbase looking to add new assets. So really for me, this is a huge opportunity and something I wanted to bring to all you guys, because I think with these assets being added to Coinbase, it's going to provide an opportunity to profit from these listings. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what coins you guys think will be added to Coinbase first. Give me your top 5 coins that you think will be added first in the description, and I will let you know what I think of them. If you guys are not already, definitely check out all of our free resources in the description. If you guys aren't in our private Facebook group already, check that out. Our free Telegram chat, free Facebook group. You guys know it's all in the description. Go check it out. But with that out of the way, have a good one, guys, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video.